everyone and welcome back to PostNetwork Academy. I am Bindeshwar and in this video I will dive into matrix operations using PyTorch. That is perfect for beginners in machine learning or anyone who want to get comfortable with linear algebra with Python code. And in this video I will cover matrix addition, scalar multiplication, matrix multiplication and the dot product, all with examples in PyTorch. So without further delay, let's get started. So matrix addition, that is defined as if this is the elements of matrix A and this is element of matrix of B. Just simply corresponding elements you will add. So addition is very simple. Thereafter scalar multiplication. So if k is scalar, you can say it is also real number. So each element of the matrix that would be multiplied by scalar value. So if k is scalar and A is matrix, so k dot aij, these are the elements of matrix A. Now let us see an example. So here matrix A and matrix B, and now we are going to add, that means A plus B. So what will happen? A will get added with 4, minus 2 with 6, 3 with 8, the same as 0, 1, 4, minus 3, 5, minus 7. So we will get 5, 4, 11 and these elements. 3a, just multiply 3 by each elements. So matrix addition and scalar multiplication. Now let us see this one in PyTorch and see that matrix addition is only defined when both matrices have the same dimension. That means here we have matrix 2 into 3, that is the dimension of A, and B dimension 2 into 3. If they are different, so addition will not be defined. Now let us see matrix multiplication. So matrix multiplication, that is if a matrix A and B, and see that here actually this is the dimension of matrices. Suppose that we have matrix 2 into 3, another is 3 into 2. So the final dimension would be of 2 cross 2. That means the column of first row must be equal to row of second matrix. Then matrix operation will be defined. Now this operation is only valid if the number of columns in A equal to the number of rows in B, as I have explained to you. Now let us see an example. So here this is the matrix of 2 cross 3 and here 3 cross 2. 3 is rows, means 3 are rows, and there are 2 rows here and 3 columns. Here 3 rows, 2 columns. So multiplication is defined, and see that what would be the value here. A into C, that would be 9. How it has come? So you will multiply this row by this column and you will get this element. You can see that 2 into 1, 2, minus 2, and 3 into 3, 9. That would be 9. So here 9, and this row you will multiply by this one. So just you can see that 1 into 0, so that is 0, 1, 2 into minus 1, that is g plus 2, and 3 into 4. 3 into 4, that would be 12, not 14. So that is 14. The same you can get. So others, you will multiply this row by this column, and that will come 19. Second, that will come 10. You can try yourself. So here, matrix multiplication is not commutative. Remember, that means if you have two matrices A, B, that will not be equal to BA. So matrix multiplication is not commutative. Now it's time to see the code. So here, PyTorch, that is deep learning framework, and also it is used for a scientific framework, and it provides a very good tool tensor that can store large dimensions data set, and that can be used for computer vision as well as machine learning as well as natural language processing. So here, torch library we have used, and it is creating a tensor, that is basically matrix having two rows and one column. Here again B is the same dimension, and C has 3 rows and 2 columns. So here if you add, you will get result 3 into A, and this is the linear combinations, and A into C. So let us see on Python code, so that we can see the result. So here torch library is imported. Here it is using tensor method to make a matrix of, you can say, the 2 rows and the 3 columns. This matrix 2 rows and 3 columns. This matrix 3 rows and 2 columns. And here addition of 2 matrices, multiplication of a scalar to matrix, linear combination, and matrix multiplication. So let us run it and see the result. So let us run it. Again I am running and wait for the result. So you can see that A plus B, so 4, 5, 11, 1, 3A just multiply it by 3, 2A minus 3B, that matrix, A into C, 9, 14, 19, 16. So you can see that how easy multiplying matrix in PyTorch, and that is fundamental for any deep learning, you can say that neural network, deep neural network. We will come across weight matrices. So this way we will see in future. Now let us see another topic. So just in this slide I have added how you can multiply two matrices having dimension, you can say that one row or column matrix, you can say that. So here we have a matrix having one row, here a matrix having one column. So here you can say that basically that is 1 cross 3, and the second one 3 cross 1. So multiplication is possible and resultant would be 1. this one, the last one, 1 cross 1 matrix you will get. So here if you multiply, so you will like 7 into 3 plus minus 4 into 2 plus 5 into 1, that is 21 minus 8, 5, and you can see that that would be equal to 18. Now let us see the code, and here the code. Let us clear the output screen, and thereafter what is happening here? Torch library, first one dimensional vector, that is you can say that raw matrix, again that is raw matrix. Okay, second is also raw matrix, raw. And see that what will dot product will do, actually it will multiply element wise and it will sum, and basically that is equal to multiplying raw matrix with column matrix. So let us see the result, and you can understand now. It will take little bit time, so you can see that here dot product between these two matrices are two vectors, you can say that one vector, another vector, or raw and column, you can say that. So 7 into 3 minus 4 into 2, 5. So if you add 18, second one, 6 into 4, 3, 9 into 1, so 24 plus 9 plus 16, so 24 and 33, and 16, 49, and here 15, so that would be 64. And here dot item, that means you will extract a scalar. Item is used for extracting the complete operation value. You can see that how it is easy to compute matrix multiplication, addition, scalar multiplication, dot product, or you can say that single row column matrix multiplication. So hope you have understood, and you will support my channel, your website channel, PostNetwork Academy. So you will visit postnetwork.co, you will support YouTube channel, you like the video and subscribe the channel, follow Facebook page and also LinkedIn page, and you will get update when I make video or just publish a post. So hope you understood. Thanks for watching the video.